Last thing you want to do is come out and get ready to fire up the evaporator and realize you've got broken fire brick. Now you've got insulation falling off the side and all that other stuff. Hey guys, Rob from All Things Wood, Heat, and Maple. So I wanted to talk to you about fire brick in your evaporator. I think it's a key element, helps protect the metal on the outside of the barrel or whatever evaporator you have. Doesn't really provide much insulation at all, but it does protect the sides of the barrel, gives it a little bit of a buffer. It does retain heat, so once those bricks heat up after about 15 minutes of having your evaporator fired, they're going to be really throwing out a lot of heat. It's going to help you maintain a nice strong boil, but something to consider when you're going to buy your fire bricks. You can get junky, cheap fire brick at some of the big retailers. They keep them out in the rain sometimes. They're wet, they break down. I'd suggest finding a wood stove store or a masonry store that specializes in fire brick for either furnaces or some of the fancy, outdoor pizza units. I've had these fire brick in here for 5 years now. This is our 5th season. There's a lot of thermal change in these units. They go from ice cold to screaming hot. I've had none of these break. Any of these that you see up here are just some that I modified to fit into this unit. Smoky Lake Dauntless takes 18 standard size fire bricks. This is not their layout. This is my layout. I'm a constant tinkerer. I'm always messing around with things. So this is a little bit different setup for the bricks. A Smoky Lake setup, everything fits perfectly. You don't have to cut brick. You don't have to do anything like that. Bottom line, these are high quality bricks. They're going to last a long time. I've got a little bit of spalding, but that's about it. I've clumped these with our firewood. I've definitely, been a little bit aggressive stuffing stuff in there. They're lasting. So I spent money once, good money on a good product, and now it's lasting, and chances are for the next, 5 years, I'll probably be running the same brick. If you're getting ready to make your own maple syrup evaporator, you have to check out my insulating your evaporator video.